Horticulture. Horticulture generally we call it gardening or cultivation of plants and fruits. Understood? You can call it like cultivation of sweet fruits. Understood? Like India is second largest producer of fruits and vegetables.
Vegetables.
So which country is the second largest producer of
Vegetable.
fruits and vegetables?
India.
Have you started it?
Yes.
Okay. So in today's video lecture, under Indian cultivation or cultivation, you get to know. Today you will get to know about horticulture, cultivation of sweet fruits and vegetables. Is that clear? But vegetables. I must not say sweet fruits and vegetables. Sweet fruits as well as vegetables. Understood? So we have come to know. What have we come to know? India is the second largest producer of what?
Fruit and vegetables.
Fruits
And vegetables.
Okay, so I would like you to tell me the name of the state where you get mango. Name the state that produces mango in India.
Maharashtra.
Number 1, Maharashtra. Number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Name the state which produce oranges and oranges.
Karnataka.
No, Nagpur and Meghalaya.
Oh.
Okay. Name the state that produce banana. Name the state that produces banana. Kerala.
Kerala.
Maharashtra.
Hmm.
Okay. Name the state that produces lychee.
Lychee. Assam.
Bihar.
Bihar.
But I sometimes think why West Bengal is not
Yes.
mentioned. I think lychees get cultivated in West Bengal as well, isn't it? Lychees grow in West Bengal also. But I'm astonished that Bihar is the largest producer of lychee, isn't it? Okay, fine. Now, guava. Which state produces guava?
Odisha.
UP.
UP.
Uttar Pradesh. Name the state that produce very easy, like apples.
Apples.
Apples. Why can't you tell me? If apples is Jammu and Kashmir because it is the coldest place in India. Naturally, it must produce what?
Apples.
Jammu and Kashmir. J stands for Jammu and K stands for Kashmir.
Kashmir.
So these are the states that produce
Apple.
apples. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir. No, Jammu and Kashmir is taken as one. Okay. Name the state that produces pineapple.
The state.
Meghalaya. Meghalaya. Which state produces
Meghalaya.
pineapple? Meghalaya. Name the state that produces grapes.
Grapes.
In the word France, in India, Andhra
Andhra
Pradesh
Pradesh.
and Maharashtra. Grapes. It means we consume or we eat Indian grapes. But they do not come all the way from France. I think the French grapes are sweeterized. But we cannot buy them.
Bye.
Ordinary Indians cannot
Bye.
buy them. Okay. Non-food crops. Let's learn about non-food crops. May I erase?
Yes.
Non-food crops. Non-food crops. what do you think non-food crops are?
The
Can
crops we
you name non-crops food?
non-food crops.
Non-food crops, can you name? What do you think non-crops food is? Non-crops is not crop. What is it then? It's rubber. It's rubber. Rubber is also crop. Understood? And it gets produced from the latex of rubber. What? Rubber trees. You get it? Isn't it get produced from the latex of rubber plants or trees? Isn't it? And they are found, I think, in the what? Hilly areas or not? Okay, fine. Rubber requires moist and humid climate. Which climate does rubber require? Humid and moist climate.
Oh.
Understood? Rubber grows well in moist and humid climate. Rainfall needed. What is the amount of rainfall needed for rubber? In the hilly areas, you know, it rains a lot, isn't it?
100.
So rainfall needed is more than 200
centimeters.
and temperature needed is only 25 degrees Celsius.
Celsius.
So tell me about the temperature and rainfall needed for the cultivation of rubber. 200 degrees centimeter. Understood? 200 centimeter of rainfall and
25% of Celsius.
25
Degree Celsius.
degrees Celsius. Understood? Temperature needed for the cultivation of rubber. The states that grow rubber or the rubber producing states are. Can you name the rubber producing states or the states where rubber grow? Understood? Can you name them?
West Bengal,
Kerala,
Karnataka,
Tamil
Tamil
Nadu,
Nadu,
and South Andaman and
Nicobar
Nicobar
Island.
Islands. So, what are the names of the states that produce rubber?
Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Actually, the southern Andaman and Nicobar Islands, understood? Southern Andaman produce rubber plants, and North and Middle Nicobar Islands produce rubber. Understood? So I can mention that, but if you write only Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that will also.
Right.
Am I visible to you?
Yes.
Very good. That's like a very good point. Okay, fine. Why is rubber used? Can you tell me? Just use your own what? General knowledge. You have got common sense. Use your common sense to answer why. What are the products that get made or manufactured with rubber?
Rubber.
Name the things that rubber produces.
Eraser.
That rubber makes. The things that we make with the help of rubber. Name the things that we
Gum,
make with the help
glue.
of rubber. What are the things?
Glue, gum.
Actually, the first is tires, either of bicycles, vehicles, lorries.
Eraser.
Then second in that is footwear, isn't it? Number 3, belts. You sometimes tie belts around your waist. Don't you use belts? Okay, fine. And tube. Don't we use tube for different purposes? Electric wires, tubes for water pipes, all are made out of rubber, isn't it? So it's very clear to you. Can you tell me something about rubber, where it is planted? Understood? What is the use of rubber, and what kind of crop is this? And name the states where rubber is grown or cultivated, and name the products that we get out of rubber.
Rubber.
Tell me.
Rubber are mostly found in Kerala.
Rubber is found.
Rubber is found in
Okay, fine. Good. Tell me.
Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Fine.
Rubber products are tire, tubes, belts, footwear, etc.
Good.
Uh,
The temperature needed
the temperature
for the cultivation of rubber.
rubber, the temperature, rainfall
25 degrees Celsius
25 degrees
And,
Celsius and rainfall 200,
rainfall
200 centimeters.
centimeters. Very good. I'm sure you have followed me very nicely, and I'm sure that you will do well in the exam. Okay, fine. Now come to cotton. Can you tell me something about cotton? Okay, I'm telling you. It is also non-food crops. Is it crops?
Non-food.
Is it a crop?
No.
It's non-food crop. What?
Cotton.
Alright. Where is it used? Where is cotton used? Cotton is used all over India, and it is used primarily, it is sent to the factories. Textile industry is run only because of cotton. We get cotton clothes, isn't it? Don't we make cotton clothes? Don't we get cotton clothes out of cotton that we produce? Isn't it? So cotton is used in textile industry, and India is the second largest producer of cotton. Understood? Which is the second largest producer of cotton in the world?
India.
India is the second largest producer of
Cotton.
cotton. Cotton grows well in which soil?
Cotton.
In which soil does cotton grow?
Well,
In which soil does cotton grow well?
black soil.
Black soil. I don't know how you could answer. I think you have followed what I did yesterday. I think it's only because of the black soil you get good cotton, isn't it? Okay, cotton. Can you tell me about the temperature needed for the cultivation of cotton?
20 to 27 degrees Celsius.
Cotton needs high temperature and low rainfall. What does it need? High temperature and low rainfall. And there is no mention of exactly the
Temperature and
percentage of rainfall and
temperature.
temperature. So high temperature
And heavy rainfall.
low rainfall. Keep it very fresh. But for rubber, what is the temperature needed and what is the amount of rainfall
25
needed?
degrees Celsius
And
and rainfall
200
200 centimeters.
Understood? So it is totally opposite of what?
Rubber.
Rubber. So what is it? High temperature and
Low
rainfall.
rainfall.
Okay. So it takes 6 to 8 months to grow. Which plant takes 6 to 8 months to grow?
Cotton.
Cotton takes 6 to 8 months to grow. Very good. The states producing cotton are. What are the names of the states that produce cotton in India? Maharashtra and Gujarat. Why? Because you will get to see many spinning mills. Which state is called the Manchester of India?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra or Gujarat?
Gujarat.
Why don't you have? Do you have mobile phone with you? What is called the Manchester of India? See? Look for this Manchester. Which city of Gujarat is known as Manchester of India? What is it?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Understood? Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of India because it produces what? Clothes. Isn't it? And followed by Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the second. Understood? It occupies the second position in the production of clothes. Okay, fine. Now, I want you to name the states that produce cotton. What are the names of the states?
Maharashtra and Gujarat.
Understood? They are side by side. They are close to each other. Okay, fine. Now, I want you to tell me anything, something about jute. Do you know anything about jute?
Hmm.
Jute cultivation in India.
Hmm.
What is jute called?
Jute.
It's very popular name. Everybody knows it.
Hmm.
Jute is called golden fiber.
Yes, yes.
What is it called?
Golden
fiber.
fiber.
Okay. It needs fertile soil. The production or cultivation of jute needs fertile soil. If there is no fertile soil, the jute will not grow well. So, jute grows well in West Bengal because West Bengal is on the bank of the river Ganga, and as a result, most of West Bengal produces
Fertile
jute.
soil.
Understood? As most of West Bengal has got fertile soil, so jute grows well in
West Bengal.
West Bengal. Another crops growing well in West Bengal, rice. Understood? So it needs fertile soil, and we can find it in West Bengal and other states as well, situated or located on the banks of the other rivers as well. So what does it need? Fertile soil and high temperature. Understood? So the cultivation of jute needs what kind of like soil and what kind and the kind of weather,
What kind of soil and what kind of weather?
temperature,
Jute.
high temperature,
High temperature and low rainfall.
not low rainfall. It needs fertile soil.
Oh.
Understood? There is no mention of whether it is
Right.
low temperature or high temperature, but West Bengal has got
Fertile soil.
fertile soil and also low temperature. I
Hmm.
think West Bengal is very fit to live in.
Hmm.
It has got very good climate, isn't it? And the states in which jute grow, understood, jute grows are also having what? High temperature and low fertile soil. Let's get the names of those states that produce jute. What are the names of those states? West Bengal, Bihar,
Bihar.
close to us, Assam, close to us. It is also on the bank of the river Brahmaputra, and Bihar on the bank of the river Ganga.
Ganga.
Understood? Odisha also banks of the river, I think Ganga. Ocean of Odisha is on the bank of the Ganga or not? Meghalaya, it's a hilly state and it rains a lot. So, can you tell me something about, so what are the states that produce, can you name the states that produce
West Bengal.
jute?
West Bengal, Assam, Odisha,
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Won't you name Bihar?
Hmm.
So, what are the states?
West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya, Odisha.
Understood?
Hmm.
So, you have named Meghalaya, no? Very good. Can you tell me about the uses of jutes?
Jute. Jute is used as
You know, if you have a bag, I think maybe your father might have used a bag made of jute. Understood? Another is we make ropes with jutes. Understood? And the carpets found in our houses are made of
jute.
jutes. Isn't it? Let's see. Last but not the least is silk. What kind of where is this, where is silk found?
Silk. In the hilly area.
Where is it grown? Silk is not what?
What?
Silk is not grown.
Oh.
What makes silk?
Silk.
How do we get silk? Tell me. They are worms that produce
Silkworms.
silkworms. Silkworms produce silk. Understood? Silkworms are found on mulberry leaves. Where are the silkworms found? Mulberry leaves. Production of silk is called. What is the production of silk called?
Mulberry.
Sericulture. What is it called?
Sericulture.
The production of silk is called
Sericulture.
sericulture, isn't it? So I hope you have understood Indian agriculture. I'm sure that you might have understood everything I've told you. What is the duration?
20 minutes.
20?
Minutes.
20 minutes. If you have liked the video I have made for you, understood, don't hesitate to share with those who you want to benefit from it, isn't it?